If you're looking for a relatively inexpensive drill driver with lithium cell technology, this is the HLD 120 drill driver from Ryobi. It forms part of the Handyline range, is cordless, 12 volt, and perfect for DIY and home use. It features a quick change keyless chuck that fits bits from 0.8 to 10 millimeters. The top speed of 700 RPM is controlled using the pressure sensitive trigger. And combined with an easy to reach direction switch and slim handle, it feels very comfortable in the hand. It has a drilling capacity of 16mm in wood and 8mm in steel. The drill weighs only 1 kg with the battery and has 21 torque settings with a maximum torque of 12 Nm. The charger is directly plugged into the 1.3 amp-hour battery, which also has a built-in charge status indicator. Other great features are the LED work light for illuminating your work area, soft rubber grip, and belt hook for when you need both hands free. Overall, this entry-level drill driver is affordable and really easy to use. This is just one of the drill drivers available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.